This video, I want to share with you how I do my everyday makeup. I start off with my primer after my skincare and then go ahead with my eyebrow. I use my Laura Mercier powder to set my eyebrow because that place can be very, very oily. You know, miniature you can use it to fry plantain. So I go ahead to set it first and then draw on my eyebrow and then use my concealer to shape it. I don't know if the eyebrow is sister or cousin. I don't even know. I go ahead to use my concealer under my eyelid, and where I have hyperpigmentation. I follow up with my foundation, and then after that I set where I use my concealer. I set it with my loose powder. After that, I use my Take Mint bronzer from Fenty Beauty to bring shape and definition to my face because my face was looking like an egg. So that helps me to bring shape and definition to my face. I use the same bronzer on my eyelid, especially in the morning when I'm going to work and I don't have time to go into my palette, you know. And I love what I always get, the results. So I keep on doing it. I love the results. I go ahead to spray my face with my setting spray from MAC. This helps me to dust off any excess powder, and this evens the whole look, and I love it. I go ahead to use my eyeliner, my mascara and everything, and then put some small lip gloss on. And I'm so done for the day.